Look at her. Look at that baby.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, did you like that ride? Huh?
Took a bite.
Did you like that ride it just gave you? That was fun, huh? That baby looks just like me, I swear. This is the baby's sister right here. Peyton. This is one of her sisters. That one in the purple shirt is Ametia. She's the oldest. That's her cousin. And as you can tell, she looks nothing like me, but this one does. It's the only one that took after me that actually looks like me. Well, yeah, Ametia looks like me too, but she really looks like me. She looks like a spitting image of me.
Where they going?
She took after me and Grandpa, I think, you know. Yeah, she needs her own little car.
Miss.
Monica needs to get her one of them little four-wheelers, you know, battery operated. Go fast! They have a track over here on 5 acres. Look at this. Little poot. Okay, come on. Woo! Wow. Here's Brooklyn. This is her sister, and these. Hi, say hi, Brooklyn. Brooklyn.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Look, I got Lacy poo.
Basketball when I was a grown up.
This is my sister right here. She's holding the baby, if you guys are wondering. That's my sister. And the one in the trailer was my sister too. And then the guy in the trailer was my cousin, Michael. My sister lives on the property with my at my mom's house, and that's my mom's house over there. And it looks like a barn or whatever by the blue car. You could kind of tell. And then the garage is right next to it.
Jessica,
And then there's our barn. And then we have 5 acres on the side right here. And this is where the kids run. What do you want? Oh, easy. Don't run me over, kid. Oh, Peyton. Oh, I guess Peyton broke down over here. I gotta help her. What happened, Peyton? Huh?
My motorcycle?
What happened?
My motorcycle?
Yeah?
Oh, my boot just got tangled up.
Okay, come on, let's go fix it. Okay, let's go fix it. Sorry guys, if it sounds like I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I'm recording this on my iPhone, so I'm not trying to yell. It's just that I got the phone kind of close. Okay. Okay, you need to start it? Okay, here. Where's the thing? Watch out. Let's pull it. Oh, I just jerked the bike. Hold it for me.
Okay.
You got it?
I'll make that wheel up.
Okay, hold it, Kay.
Yes! I did it!
Yay!
I'm the best one. You can do it. Wait.
Hold on.
This one go up and it doesn't.
You gotta hold it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, Jessica. I want to show you something. I want to show you something in the woods. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Well, you gotta wait, okay? Okay. See, these two are twins. See, there's Brooklyn. And there's Peyton. Huh? These two are sisters. They're twins.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at those big birds. Wow! Look at that one. What?
There were more birds. I only found more birds. Holy crap, that's the funnest thing ever. Really is the funnest thing ever.
Wow! Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second and get her.